your boy Goldie back at it again with another video. I'm just gonna jump in by saying fuck thieves, fuck anybody who's stealing. It's too much money going around, it's too much money being given away right now to be a thief. And that's one thing I do fucking hate is a thief. And every thief is gonna get what's coming to them, and I promise you that. I promise you that. Kids, don't steal. Alright, so the other night, somebody stole all my tools. And some of y'all know, and to those of you who don't know, I work on cars as a hobby, as you know, I buy and sell cars. So the company that I work for needs me to be able to fix the cars and get them ready to be sold, as you guys can see, you know. So it's kind of, it frustrates me that somebody stole from me, because I'm very generous. I give a lot to people all the time. I give more than what I can a lot of times. So when somebody steals from me, it's a no-no. So I'm not gonna get into what happened in the past. So I'm gonna just start with, I'm on my way to Harbor Freight right now to go get a new buffer. I ordered a few little tools. I still need to get a lot more power tools, but it's gonna be a slow process, because as a lot of y'all know, these tools aren't cheap. So I can't just go out and splurge and go replace them all like I'd like to, because I have all the responsibilities that I have. So I'm not here for a side story, but it is what it is. I just wanted to let y'all know that some of the content might be a little slow, but hopefully y'all stick around. I'm gonna do what I can while I can, and let's just hope shit builds up. I'm on my way to Harbor Freight to go get a buffer, and I'm gonna do an actual detail and a full, oh shit, almost dropped the camera. Full detail and a buff, and I'll give you guys a quick walk around before and after of what it looks like, because it looks nice from afar, but I want to be able to actually, for people to be able to walk up on it and be like, damn, this is nice. So that's, you know, it's a black truck, so as y'all know, black is hard as fuck to keep clean. But I got some ceramic coat. I'm gonna let y'all check it out once I get it put on, and I'm gonna walk y'all through the process, low-key, of detailing a black car. So just stay tuned. This wouldn't be a formal introduction without introducing how much this big bitch takes to fill up. Let's see if y'all can guess how much it's gonna cost to fill up. It was at a quarter tank, like 70 miles till empty. So let's see. It is, let's see how long it takes to fill up too. It's now 8:53. Oh, sorry, 10:53. And it's almost at 5 gallons. Boom, 5 gallons. So whoever's closest, I'll cash app them $20 to see how long it took me to fill up. And you got to be pretty close, not down to the exact second, but so before I was rudely interrupted, it don't have to be the exact second, but got to be to the minute. But if you can get the exact minute and second, I'll cash up you $30. How about that? First person in the comments. Another giveaway, if you can guess how much it cost, I'll cash app you $10. All right, y'all, so just got done picking up a few things from Vato Zone. So I'm on my way to my mom's house. I'm gonna go say hi to her, see what she's doing for the day, and then I'm gonna head back to the house and then start working on the car. I'll see y'all in a second. So here's a full walk around before the detail. '2007 Cadillac Escalade. .26-inch rims. Tinted windows. New style Escalade tail lights. Tesla screen. Don't mind it. It's all dirty in here, but I'm gonna show y'all the before. So then when I show y'all the after, I broke my door handle. I'm waiting on a new one. Fucking door didn't unlock. Pulled on it too hard. I guess I don't know my own strength. It's pretty clean, but as y'all can see, it's already becoming a family mobile. And yeah, gotta change that. I mean, it's gonna be a family car, but that don't mean it gotta look like a family car. So, all right, let me tap back in with y'all once I start working on this bitch. So we just finna start. And the camera's definitely picking it up. It's faded right here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But just want to give y'all before. Also, all these water spots. I've washed and washed, but the detail is going to be able to get all of these spots off. It's not too bad though. It's a really good surface to start with. Just a bunch of small imperfections. So let me cut it back on once. Let me cut it back on once I start working. So here's all the stuff I'm finna be using. I had to go get another Bauer orbital dual action. No thanks to the thief. I got this foam cutting pad. I don't think I'm gonna use this one because I don't have any solid oxidation. Got a 6-inch medium pad. Cutting with a clean finish. Got this 6-inch foam pad for fine cutting to a gloss finish. Another 6-inch ultra fine show car finish. Got this Meguiar's ultimate polish for deep scratches. I love this shit. Oh shit. Goof Troop. Got this Mother's ceramic coat. That's a spray coat. This isn't what I was talking about, but when I was in Vato Zone, I seen it, and it says coat like a pro. So we'll see how long this lasts versus the actual coating, and if it doesn't turn out like I'm expecting it to turn out, like it says it should, then I'll just wait for it to wear out, and then I'll do another update video with the other shit that I got. I'm also using the back to black. Don't really need it, but it's gonna make it look good. And yeah, that's the part number for the dual action. Also got some clean microfibers. You gotta have some microfibers. Got these from Amazon. They were like 16 bucks for a pack of 50. So you can never have too many of them. But ooh, with the door open, you could definitely see it. So I don't like that because it just takes away from the rest of the car. There's also some other spots that I want to touch up in the future, but I'm not really worried about it right now. So let me get taping and get back on to it. Guys, just a clay bar. Helped out a lot, but you can still see some spots, some water spots. There you go. Still see some water spots. And on the hood, helped out a little bit, but that's just a clay bar. That's just prepping the surface. So now that I got this done, let me get to the buffing and cutting, or swap that, cutting and buffing. All right, I'm also using some McGuire's dual action cleaner polish and some ultra cut compound. Oh shit. Not even gonna edit that out, cause players fuck up. So this ain't a sponsor video, but I always use these three just cause they work really good, and you don't gotta use a lot of it to get really good results. So got the whole truck clayed. Now it's time for the fun part. All right, y'all, so here it is. For the most part, I still gotta hit it a couple times. I didn't get it all the way with the buffer. I just hit the roof, or not the roof, but the hood. I still gotta hit the back of it, but I hit it with the, what's the word? Clay bar and a wash. There's still some watermarks on there, but fuck it. Like I said, I'm gonna hit it again. I'm just running out of daylight, as y'all can see. So this is as best as I can get it right now, but it's a lot better. Let's see if y'all can get it. Like I said, it's hell of a lot better. No complaints here. This thumbnail. And just like that, this video is over. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications. To the next video, we out. Be easy.
Hey, I'm in they speakers, now my soul it been beating. I don't know if they can hear me when I'm saying I'm fighting demons. They trading, now I'm seeing I ain't need them. I watch these niggas use me and say that I ain't feed them. I told my niggas, anywhere it go, we gon' still be solid. Anywhere it go, I gotta keep me a rocket. I know from the go, I'ma be 100. Make sure all my posts got a clip like an onion.